this is Prithvi. I'm going to explain you how to do the progression activity, which is also called promotion activity in UDISE Portal for the academic year 2025-26. So, for this you need to go to udisplus.gov.in website. In this you can see an option called login for all modules. Select on that. Then you need to select your state. For example, I'm selecting Telangana, which is the state I'm working in. Then you need to select on the login, which is related to students module. So basically progression activity is done in the student module itself. So we need to enter the UDISE code of the school 36207 and password, and then the captcha as usual. So that you can log in. Here you can see current academic year 2025-26. Close this dialog box. This is your school's dashboard. Here you can see student movement and progression. Click on that and you can see progression activity here. If you click on that, you will be seeing for 5 options. One is go, another one is progression user manual, view summary, progression summary section wise, and finalization progression. So in this, if you want to go through the manual, you can open this. Manual will be downloaded and you can see it. And regarding the progression module, you need to click on go so that this page will open. Here you can't see any students data because you have not selected any class. So select a class and section and then click on go so that students names will be displayed. If you can see a student Amira Yashan Naik, you need to select progression status. So there will be 3 options for progression status. One is promoted, one is not promoted or repeater, and third one is promoted without examination. We are following non-retention policy till class 8. So for all the students for classes 1 to 8, you need to select either promoted by examination or promoted without examination. So there shouldn't be any not promoted student. So I'll be going with promoted with examination, and then percentage of the marks. For example, the student achieved around 78% and number of days attended. Usually school runs for 220 days. Out of 220 days, how many days does the student attended? For example, 175. And then select studying in the same school or left the school without TC. You will be seeing 2 options. If the student is continuing for 25-26 academic year in your school, you need to select studying in same school, or if the student is leaving and going out to another school, then you need to select the second option. So basically the class I selected is first class, so I will be selecting studying in the same school. Then select section and then update so that the student data will be updated. This student's progression is completed. In this same way you have to complete each and every student's data. And one more thing, till you finalize the progression, you can edit the data which was entered. If a mistake has happened, you can automatically correct. If this percentage is 79, then you can update it. So this is how you have to complete the progression of each student. This is for class 1. If the highest class, this is for all the classes, but regarding the highest class in your school, the student cannot be continued in your school. So that the schooling status for highest class shall be left without the school, left with the school with TC or without TC. This you need to select for highest class in your school so that the student will be sent to Dropbox, and if the student goes to another school, they can be able to pick up. So this is regarding progression activity for each and every student and every class. After completing this for all the students and all the classes, then you need to go to finalize progression. So here you can see once you click on submit, like if this is declaration is ticked, and if you click on submit, these 5 things will happen. What? The first one is promotion module will be deactivated for your school. So once you complete all the promotion activity or progression activity of your students, then promotion module will automatically be deactivated once you click the submit. Then what happens is import module will be activated for your school. So if you have to import another student from another school, for that you need to complete this progression first. Then only you can import the students, and no additional will be permitted for any students. So corrections and all cannot be done again and again once the promotion is finalized. The activities for the current academic year will be enabled for your school. So the remaining all the activities only will be enabled once you complete the progression activity. And it won't be opened for this academic year again. It will be done for the next academic year only. So this is how you need to complete the progression activity in your school. Thank you.